The Blue Sky Plan treatment planning software allows the user to save images and create reports directly from the software. On the right side of every view, there's an icon of a camera. If the icon of the camera is selected, the user has the option to save the screenshot that's currently on the screen for that view, or to save the screenshot for all positions. After selecting an option, the screenshot panel opens and all the relevant images are added to the screenshot basket. Additional images can be added to the screenshot basket by once again selecting the camera to the right of a particular view and choosing to save the screenshot or to save the screenshot for all positions. Images can be removed from the basket by selecting an image, right-clicking, and choosing Remove. All the images can be removed by selecting the Remove All option. Any particular image can be saved or copied to the clipboard. In addition, all the images in the screenshot basket can be saved by clicking the Save button. The Drill Report button will insert images into the screenshot basket that pertain to the implants placed on the screen. Images from all the different views reflecting the implant position will be added to the basket. The PDF and print options allows the images to be turned into a PDF document or printed from your printer. When the options are selected, an options dialog box appears on the screen. The dialog box allows the user to define how the report will be generated. In the page layout section, the user can select how the images should be laid out on the page. The header selection allows the user to include a header with any text they would like to include. The user can enter their own text into the boxes or select from different options of information that should be included in the report. The font, the size, and the style can all be selected as well. Similar options exist for the footer. In the info section, the user can define which patient and project information should be included in the report. The implant list will display the placed implants in the treatment plan, and the option of displaying the image title will include the scale and slice position information. Once the options have been selected, the OK button should be pressed, and a preview of the report will appear on the screen. Select the print option to print the report to your printer or to save it as a PDF.